In this tutorial, we will see how to install open source TeamViewer alternative, that is RustDesk. In your browser, search for RustDesk and go to the website of RustDesk and then click download. Since I am in Windows, I will use Windows version. Let's click MSI. The file is downloaded. Once downloaded, double click the MSI file. The installation wizard is opened. Click next and accept, next, next, and install. The installation is done. Now click finish. If your partner also install RustDesk software, then you will get this ID and put your partner's ID here and connect. Then you can easily control your partner's computer using your computer. And if you want to let your computer to be controlled by someone else, you should provide this ID. This is a very good alternative of TeamViewer and Anydesk. Thanks for watching.